Hey guys, welcome back to another cash stuffing video. My name is Jeanette, and the reason why I cash stuff and use zero-based budgeting is to save for 6 months of expenses. So in today's video, we are going to be doing my variable expenses, which is my wallet that I use weekly, and also my sinking funds as well as my business bills. So the first thing I wanted to start with is the Budgie Bestie binder. I wanted to do my mood tracker because I don't think I did it since the 18th, I want to say. So let's get into that first, and then I'll get into these two binders. Okay, so I think I'm missing like 3 days in here. So let's get into this first. Okay, so as far as the no spend days, I didn't have no spend days, and I didn't take money out of the birthday sinking fund because my husband's like, let it stack up and then we'll start pulling out from there. So let it reach like a certain amount and then we'll start pulling. Okay, so for our mood tracker, are we in frame? Yes, we are. Okay, 18th. Wow, it's a couple days. Okay, so for the 18th, I have to say it was a happy day because it was my daughter's birthday. So that's going to be a pink heart there. Let's do a pink heart right here. And then for Sunday, I have to say it was a tiring day. Like I was tired. So I'm going to put purple in that one, a purple heart for Sunday. And then yesterday was pretty much a relaxed day because the kids didn't have school. So for a relaxed day, we're going to put a heart in yellow. Oh my God, we're almost done with the month. Wow. And then today, I have to say, I've had a pretty tired day. Kids came back to school and stuff, so the whole car line and all that. So that is going to be in purple. Okay, so that is a total of 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, $8. So let's take out $8 for this. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. And then as far as no spend days, I haven't had no spend days. So that was good there. Okay, so now in our mood tracker, we have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. $45. That is awesome. $45. Okay. So no spend challenge 1, 6, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So we left off on the 18th, and that's going to be in purple. So 18, 19, 20, and I already picked up the girls, so no spend day for today as well. I think next month for a no spend day is going to be $1 and a spend day is going to be $2. Let's see. But so far no spend days has nothing, and we only had one spend day right here, which was January 3rd. So that is awesome for a month. And again, I don't count my variable expenses, which is my wallet, towards a no spend. I mean, towards spending. So, because that's money I allowed it for that. So that's how I do it. I know some people is just no spend at all. So yeah. Okay. So that is it for this binder here. And as far as the giveaway, I'm going to what I'm going to do, I'll discuss it at the end, but what I'm going to do is just, if you guys are interested, anybody's interested in the items that I show, you can email me and I'll send those over to you guys. So that's how we're going to do that. Okay, now our wallet. So in our wallet, I think we had money left over from miscellaneous. So that's not going to get anything. But every other category is going to get $5. Okay, so groceries, we're going to put in $5. Toiletries is going to get $5. Out to eat is going to get $5. Kids is going to get $5. Spending is going to get $5. Self-care is going to get $5. And miscellaneous has 5 in it, so it's not going to get anything this week. Okay, so the next one is going to be our sinking funds. And then the next video will be 6 months of expenses. Now, make sure you check out yesterday's video, our Colorful Dollar Mondays, because I did finish 3 challenges yesterday, and I put that money in my lockbox. So it was about $40-something. So far with that challenge, I've saved a total, I believe, of $52. So go check out that video. And then on Sunday, I did my part 1 of my 100 envelope. So I'm going to take you guys on the journey of my 100 envelope, and that will be a separate video all the time. And I also did my Budget Besties binder as well. Okay, so for sinking funds, okay, let me get the track. What color is the pink? So I need the pink marker because I'm going to fill in my trackers as we go. Okay, so as far as back to school, it's going to get a total of $5. So now we have a total of, let me just take this tracker out. 20, 40, 60, 80, 85. You see how it just adds up even with saving $5? That is super awesome. Okay, so 85, and today is the 21st. So 121. We put 5 in here, so now we have a total of $85. And these are available in my shop, and they're reusable, so you can erase it and reuse it. Okay, so there goes that. And this money will be pulled out in August this year when the kids start school. Well, a month before, because I like to start early. So let's see how much we save up there. My goal for this is $1,000. So let's see if we make our goal. Okay, so kids is going to get $5. So now kids has a total of 20, 40, 50, 60. So kids has a total of $60. We put in 5, so it has $60 in it. Okay. And again, with my challenges, except the ones that I do on Fridays, those will go into sinking funds and 6 months of expenses. But as far as any other challenges I have going on, that's going to go in the lockbox, and I'll count it in 6 months. I feel like I want to count it in 6 months because I was debating 6 months or a year. But we'll do a video in 6 months to see so far how much I have in there, and I'm going to leave that money in there. Then at the end of the year, I'll count everything, and then I'll put it into my sinking funds or 6 months of expenses. But the main thing I want to stuff is my 6 months of expenses. Okay, so this is, what did I say? Holidays is going to get a total of $5. And holidays, I mean Christmas. So that's 20, 40, 60. Hold on. 20, 40, 60, 71. So total of $71. So let's put 71 here. It got a total of $5 and 121. Okay. That is not lined up. Okay. And my goal for this one is 1,500. So let's see what happens. in December. End of November going towards December, I'll probably unstuff that. Okay, for birthdays. Birthdays it's going to get $5. And now it has a total of 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Awesome. So $80 in birthdays. So we got 5. It has 80. And today is the 21st. Okay. Now moving on to my business bills. Shopify is going to get a total of $5. So now it has 10, 20, 30. Perfect. And I need 40 in here. So, yeah. Okay, taxes. So this is an extra cushion for taxes just in case. And it's going to get $5. So now we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So $60 in taxes. So 5, 60, 121. Awesome. So that is it as far as my business bills and my sinking funds. So hopefully this was helpful for you guys. Make sure you check out Sunday's videos as well as Monday's video. Yesterday was really fun with my Monday challenge because I did complete some. So I was like super excited about that. I probably was a little loud in that video, but you feel accomplished when you finish even a savings challenge. So yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Tomorrow will be our 6 months of expenses binder. Okay, guys, see you later. Bye.